Let me show you how to create this text portrait effect in Photoshop. First, create new project and follow this settings. Now let's drag our image to Photoshop. Then make a copy of our image by press Ctrl J and hide it. Then click on our women image and go to View Guide and click on New Guide Layout and follow this settings. Now let's insert our text. Then click on Women Layer and go to Marquee Selection Tool and select this area. Then hold Alt and click on Mask to create inverted mask. Then let's check this box. Then click on our women copy image and right-click on it and click on Create Clipping Mask. Then go to Adjustment Layer and click on Color Lookup and change it to Crisp Warm. Yeah, that is it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.